From Sooner Standards, Decomposing Increasingly Complex Programs, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.AP.M.01, students learn to decompose problems into parts to facilitate the design, implementation, and review of increasingly complex programs. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of decomposing simple vs complex programs, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltonses of no prep HQIM aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.